island in the sun. It can be a playground, it can be a palace, a private universe. Just anything you want, anything you want. It can be your shelter, your secret paradise. It can be a spaceship reaching for the sky. It just needs a little dreaming and blooming fantasy. It's everything you want, everything. Welcome home.
See how it cuts. It can cut, make round holes, and make freely any cuts and shapes in straight or curved lines. It can cut through any shape and any material with minimal effort. Forget any other time-wasting and functionless saws you have seen. With multi-purpose Magic Saw, you can make all cuts you want at home, at work, or virtually anywhere. Multi-purpose Magic Saw comes with the roll tip for cutting through glass, the Magic Saw body with a rectangular frame and a handle, a large flat saw blade, a diamond blade, a diamond sharpener blade, and 5 blades for wood and metal. The roll tip on the saw body can easily cut through glass or tile and place the blade to 3 directions to rotate the body 360 degrees. The case has magnets to hold all parts in place for easy storage and portability. Also, place to make hoops or smooth curves. Place the blade on the right groove or on the left groove if you are left-handed. Now, make any design as beautiful and unique as you want. Doesn't this look simple? Place the blade straight. Furthermore, the roll tip can cut any thickness of glass or tile in straight or curved lines. Simply use the pliers on the bottom to bend the thing you are cutting. Or does it cut through glass bottles? Or all you need to do is to place this diamond blade on the saw body. One more thing. It comes with diamond sharpener saw blade that sharpens your blades, scissors, pins.
The original 20-gauge capacity model TS1 turbo shear drill attachment is an amazing value and has paved the way for even more turbo shear cutting applications and improvements for the auto body pro. The introduction of the heavy-duty 18-gauge turbo shear was a milestone addition with the availability of both a heavy-duty one-hand operation drill attachment as well as an air-powered option. The Model TS HD1 drill attachment now features a streamlined aluminum cast shear head and molded polymer drill clamp for greater portability, work access, balance, and control. The telescoping drill clamp fits any corded or cordless drill, including smaller-bodied air drills and impact drivers. And the clamp's collar allows the shear head to be rotated 360 degrees and set in any position for battery pack or handle clearance when navigating profiles, or to facilitate easy material flow for long straight cuts. The versatile TSHD1A1 standalone air-powered turbo shear features the same aluminum head design combined with an ultra-compact pneumatic motor housing for outstanding accessibility and control at high or low speeds. This air-powered turbo shear is compatible with virtually any existing shop air supply and comes completely assembled and ready for service. Both of these 18-gauge capacity models use the same long-lasting straight and left cutting blades, which are also easily replaced on the job. A powerful 16-gauge capacity turbo shear provides an ultimate metal cutting solution that collision repair and restoration specialists can call their own. Available as either a drill attachment or air-powered model, this turbo shear innovation makes easy straight, left, and right cuts in a full range of 16 to 26 gauge automotive steel, including trunk pans and floorboards. A 5-position 0 to 90 degree adjustable head makes these turbo shears extremely maneuverable for cutting through profiles or into tight spaces. 16-gauge turbo shears use identical 4-sided cutting inserts. The inserts are easily accessible for clearance adjustment, rotation, and eventually replacement without disassembly of the shear head casings. And finally, Malco has improved on the traditional double-cut power shear concept with turbo shear drill attachment and air tool models. And a 360-degree rotating collar on the shear's clamp can be set in any direction for optimum work clearance and material flow. The double-cut blades extract a spiral scrap from the tool path to produce a clean, straight edge on both sides of the cut. The shear cuts to the left or right to remove a damaged auto body panel for replacement. A 2600 RPM air-powered model, TSMDA, is also available. This unit is compatible with your existing shop air supply and offers maximum power and cutting speed in a double-cut style shear. Both of these double-cut turbo shears use the same long-lasting blades, which are also easily replaced on the job. For all of your auto body shearing needs, quarter panels, rocker panels, trunk pans, floorboards, profiles, layered metal, even thick plastic bumpers,
1. Quad saw drills a perfect outlet hole in under 5 seconds. 2. Once you finish drilling the hole, there is no filling required, no making good, and no coming back to fix a bad hole. 3. No more tracing around the box. Quad saw drills from a center point, so all you need to do is mark your center and drill the hole. 4. Quad saw connects to a dust extractor. And 5. Quad saw will go through dense drywall up to 1 inch thick, such as quiet rock in this example.